Hey, Carl the Prado here, A to Z Business IT. Just wanted to share this little thing that goes out for anybody who's an attorney working in the New Jersey area. It's a reminder of attorney obligations to notify the New Jersey judiciary of any cybersecurity incident. So this doesn't necessarily even mean that your physical residence is there. If you're working with the courts, you have an obligation to notify them. This message is a reminder to all New Jersey attorneys of your obligation to contact the judiciary by calling their number if you believe you may have been the victim of a cybersecurity incident. Whether the informed, whether you inform the judiciary or the judiciary independently detects okay, sorry, my dyslexia. Whether you inform them or they notice it, we will immediately institute steps to investigate the potential risk and safeguard the court systems and protect other court users. These steps may include the temporary suspension of system access pending resolution of any threat. See administrative directives. This has kind of been going on for years. I remember being called into a chiropractor's office in Mamaroneck, and they had gotten a very bad virus that had turned their computers into spam servers. And what happened was they proceeded. The cable company shut them down. They couldn't do any work. They couldn't use the billing until all their machines were wiped and basically restored. They had to be completely wiped. They would not accept anything else but a complete destruction of their systems. It took about 4 days that they were without data. They couldn't access any of the systems. Once we had that online, it was back there. So what the judiciary is saying, that's a mouthful, is really reasonable. We've had this for a while in other institutions. As a matter of fact, if you're a broker in a lot of financial places and you're infected, you won't be able to use your systems either until these threats are resolved. So when you see, when we talk about a cyber threat, talking about the compliance issues and the potential of fines, and the reason we bring those up is because they're so large. But also, what can happen is, other businesses can notice that the problems are coming from you. What's happening is everybody's forced to become more tighter in the system as far as what they're looking for, because if you're working with a bigger company, they are dealing with compliance and they can't afford to have these breaches happening. So what they're doing is they're checking other systems. And so the court system for attorneys is like their biggest vendor, because when they bring, without access to the court, they can't help their clients bring cases there. They can't help them defend those cases. So, when they become a victim of a cybercrime, it can cause them to lose access to their biggest vendor, the court system. So that was about it for you today. Thanks so much. Again, Carl with A to Z Business IT. If you need some help, you want some guidance here, we're always here to help you. Again, it's booking.a to Z Business IT. Thank you all. Have a great day. Take care.